Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Hytale and you keep getting this error applying update to launcher, Hytale launcher binary is not functional, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on Hytale easily. So this problem can occur if your installation is corrupt. So what you'll have to do is you'll need to either verify your game's files or just reinstall Hytale on your computer. So the way you can do that is first what you're going to do is you're going to open up your Hytale, and then you're going to have a button at the top left corner of the page. You're going to click onto it, and then you're going to click onto uninstall, and once you click onto uninstall you'll have a verify button there. You're going to click onto it and it will verify and validate your game's files, and once it's done with that, just relaunch the Hytale launcher and check if that fixes your issue. If it does, then you're good, but if it didn't, then what you can do next is you can just uninstall Hytale from your computer and you're going to reinstall the game. So just open up your game again, click onto this button at the top left corner of the app, and then click uninstall and then uninstall the game. And once it's fully uninstalled, now what you're going to do is you're going to open up the Hytale setup, but make sure to run it as administrator. So if you have the Hytale setup on your computer, just right click on it and then click run as administrator and then reinstall Hytale on your computer. Once it's done installing, now you're going to open it up, but you're going to open it up as administrator as well. So just open up the Hytale launcher, right click on it, click run as administrator and run it as administrator. And now your game will update. And once it's done updating, now you can go ahead and play Hytale. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.